Here's your cup, ugly. Here's my cup. Sorry, briefcase. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Alright, so which one do you want to try first?
I want to try this one.
I want to try SARANAC. Here. This is what it looks like. This is what we're about to try. We're about to try this 1888 root beer. It's not old, trust me. It's just the company, they started making it in 1888. I hope.
Yeah.
So, alright, well, if we die, we die.
Yeah.
You guys probably won't be watching this because we probably died already. Alright, well, we're about to try the root beer. See if there's any kind of flavor of a root beer of the same taste of root beers. So, here we go. This is its taste. It ain't that bad though.
No.
Anyway, I'm gonna drink the rest of this one. So I like root beer.
I can taste it. I can taste a little bit of root beer.
I don't know. But alright guys, stay tuned. We got more taste test videos for you guys. Thank you for watching, and what do you think? We should move on to the next?
Yep.
Alright, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that way you guys are notified when we upload videos here on this channel.